Do you want to set auto-reply on Instagram? You can set up automatic replies on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to set auto-reply on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Make sure to check them out after watching this video. To set up auto-reply on Instagram chat messages. First, click on the ManyChat link I've added in the description box below. By using this link, you'll get some additional benefits. Once the ManyChat webpage opens, you'll see a screen like this. From here, click on the Get Started button. Now, you'll need to create your account. Click on Continue with Facebook to set up automatic replies in your Instagram messages. A new screen will appear, just click on Continue. In the new screen, enter your email address and hit Next. You'll receive a verification code in your email, enter it to verify your account. Once verified, ManyChat may ask you a few questions. Answer them one by one and click on Next. Now, on the new screen, you'll see a list of messaging apps. From here select Instagram. Click on Go to Instagram to set permissions for auto-reply settings. Keep in mind that you need to have a professional account on Instagram to use this feature. If you don't, simply click on the Change button to switch your account to a professional one. Choose whether you want to be a creator or business account, and then select a category for your account. Allow all the necessary permissions to complete the setup for auto-reply on Instagram. You'll now have the option to select either Activate Pro Trial or Start with Free Plan. Choose whichever suits you best. Once that's done, select the answer for the setup questions and click on the Let's Start button. Now, you'll see a screen like this. To set up auto-reply on Instagram, click on Automation from the right side of the screen. At the top right, click on New Automation. A pop-up will appear with several options. Choose Start from Scratch to create your own automation. When you click, you'll see a screen like this. Click on this first box to set the words, messages, and questions that will trigger the auto-reply. On the right side, click on New Toggle. A new pop-up will appear. Select User sends a message from the options. Now, click on Detect specific words in a message option. After clicking, add the keywords you want to trigger the auto-reply, like hi, hello, or your business name. You can add conditions if needed, but it is optional. Once you've added the keywords, click Create. After adding words, you'll need to set up the actual auto-reply message. To do this, click on this second box. On the right side, type your auto-reply message in the input box. After you've added your message, click on Set Live at the top right of the screen to make it active. Now, let's test if everything is working. I am using another Instagram account. Let me type and send hello. After sending the message, I received an automatic response from the account we had just set up on ManyChat. You've now successfully set up auto-replies on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment.